So welcome student. In this class, I will try to explain stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. We already mentioned that in SN2 reaction, this suppose this Br minus present on right side. Okay, for just imagine, and in the product after completion of SN2 reaction, we know how SN2 reaction proceed. Then OH minus ion is on left side. Okay, actually this OH minus ion replacing Br minus ion from this reactant. Therefore, we can imagine this OH minus should be on in the place of Br minus ion in the product also. But actually in SN2 reaction, this OH minus ion is on opposite side to which Br minus ion present. Suppose this is methyl bromide, and in this methyl bromide Br minus ion present on right side, but in product OH minus ion present on left side. This is called inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration or Walden inversion. Walden inversion. Inversion. Okay, so I will explain this stereochemistry of SN2 reaction by taking some chiral molecule of alkyl halide. Okay, so this is the meaning of inversion of configuration. Br minus ion and OH minus ion. See their position in reactant Br minus ion right side and product is on left side. Okay, so that is the meaning of inversion of configuration. Now, what happened actually in this step? What is the stereochemical explanation for this? See, just consider example. CH2CH3 H and Br minus. Okay, so this is the alkyl halide molecule. Name of the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bromo butane, and this molecule is chiral molecule, and it is optically active. And its configuration, see its configuration. This is chiral carbon atom, carbon number 2 is chiral carbon atom. Okay, as per our rules, RS system configuration in terms of RS, first number goes to Br minus ion, second here, third here, and fourth here. So first preference Br, second preference ethyl group, third preference methyl group, and fourth preference hydrogen. Now in this example, here lowest priority group is on front side. Therefore, actually that group we want in back side. Therefore, carbon number 1, then start moving 1, 2, 3, but it's on front side. This rotation is clockwise, but this is on front side. Therefore, opposite means R. Its configuration is R configuration. Okay, go through the stereochemistry video. It will be very easy to give configuration, fixed configuration. So this molecule having S configuration. Okay, so name of the compound is S, 2 bromo butane. Configuration is S. It is S form, optically active. Now what happened during SN2 reaction? This OH minus ion approaches the carbon bearing halogen atom, bromine atom, from the side opposite to that in which bromine present. This is the side in which bromine present. This is actually back side. So therefore OH minus ion come from front side. Okay, in this molecule Br minus ion present on back side. Therefore, OH minus ion come from front side. Okay. So this OH minus ion come from front side and shift that hydrogen as well as bromine, and you will get OH, CH3, Br, H, like this. Okay, write properly. Hydrogen, methyl group, ethyl group, Br, OH and methyl. Okay, this is the transition state. And then after Br minus ion depart and OH minus ion form. See, during the approach of OH minus ion, this OH minus approaches from front side. Therefore, it will be on this side, right? CS2, CS3 remain as it is, CS3, and when this OH minus ion approaches from front side, attack on this carbon from front side, then this OH minus ion push this hydrogen on back side to go on back side. Therefore, H on back side. See, this is the product obtained after reaction, and in this reaction, what is the configuration? Carbon number 1, first priority goes to this 2, 3 and 4. So first, second, third, this rotation is clockwise, that is R. R2 butanol. See, in reactant, the configuration of reactant was S, and for if it is optically active, and suppose it is plus form, plus means dextrorotary. Okay, and in product, see, configuration is R, reactant is S, configuration is R, means inversion. There is inversion of configuration, that is called inversion of configuration. And this product is also optically active, but it is negative form. Negative means Leo, Leo rotatory optically active. Product is also optically active, but plus form. Reactant is also optically active with plus sign. Product is also optically active with negative sign. Okay, reactant is S form. Here we have taken reactant with S configuration, and the product obtained here is having R configuration. Why this is so? This is due to the backside attack of OH minus ion. This OH minus ion attack from the side opposite to that in which Br minus ion or halogen atom present in the reactant. That's why there is inversion of configuration. And always remember, in SN2 reaction, if reactant is optically active, then product is also optically active, but opposite direction. The plane of PPL rotate in opposite direction. Okay, in reactant, the light, plane polarized light, rotate in right direction, but in product, left direction. That is the difference. This is called inversion of configuration, and this is the SN2 stereochemistry in SN2 reaction. There is always inversion of configuration. Okay. Then next part, energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. Energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. See, it is the graph between potential energy versus reaction coordinate. Means it is distance, it explains the distance. Here reactant, and here is a product. Reactant CH3Br plus OH minus ion. Here product obtained CH3OH plus Br minus. Okay, and this difference is delta H, enthalpy of the reaction, and here enthalpy is negative, therefore it is exothermic reaction. And this point is called transition state, where reactant and OH minus, both the nucleophile are equally away from the carbon atom. So this is the transition state, highly energetic, and this difference is delta E, transition energy. This is called delta E is transition energy. Okay, what is the use of this transition energy? When we want to complete this reaction or we want to get product, then this reactant must have this much minimum amount of energy with them. If that reacting compound having this much amount of energy, then they will cross this barrier, energy barrier, and get converted into product. Okay, so this is the energy profile diagram for SN2 reaction. Okay, so initially they will approach each other, reacting species means distance, intermolecular distance reduces, and then due to this their potential energy will increases, and here reaches at transition state and then decreases. Okay, so this is the energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. So student, this SN2 reaction, in this SN2 reaction, it is single step reaction. All the bond making and bond breaking step take place in single step. That's why it is called concerted reaction or concerted mechanism. And this reaction is of second order. The rate of the reaction is depend upon the concentration of methyl bromide as well as OH minus ion. Therefore, it is second order reaction, or then it is represented by SN2 symbol or reaction. Now, as per stereochemistry is concerned, if the reactant is optically active, then product is also optically active, but having inverted configuration. If reactant is dextrorotatory, then product is leo-rotatory. If reactant is leo-rotatory, then product is dextrorotatory, like this. If reaction having configuration R, then product S. If reactant is S, then product R, like this. Okay, so therefore it is called inversion of configuration. So these are the some characteristics of SN2 reaction, and this is the energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction having single peak. Okay, remember this. So this is transition energy, this is delta H, exothermic enthalpy of the reaction, that is negative in sign, therefore exothermic reaction, and this peak represent formation of transition state. Okay, so go through this video. Thank you very much.